One and all, I am Aditya Solanki. Today I am going to tell you about nature.